How to enable developer mode on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable developer mode on iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first step here is you'll need to open up your settings. And after you've done that, scroll down till you find general. Tap on general. After you tap on general, you'll need to head over to your software update. Tap on it and update your software to the latest version. After you've done that, you can come back here. Then what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to your settings, initial settings page, then scroll down. There you'll find an option called privacy and security. Tap on that, and after you're there, you'll need to scroll down all the way. And right under security section and right above stolen device protection, you should find developer mode option. Simply tap on that and toggle on the button after prompted to next page. Then you will have enabled your developer mode. You will have to restart your iPhone as well. So do that and you'll have enabled your developer mode. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.